children, I hope you all are good. Today in the GK, we are going to do the exercise of chapter 24 and the name of the chapter is Strange Animal Features. See beta, different animal are having the unique characteristics and feature. What we have to do, identify and write the name of these animals and bird by looking at their description. So let's start with number 1. The only snake that build the nest to lay the egg. ये अकेला स्नेक है जो एग देने के लिए अपना नेस्ट बनाता है. ये क्या है हमारा? ये है हमारा किंग कोबरा. Now moving to the second, this animal is also known as the river horse. It yawns when it is angry. अच्छा, हम yawn करते हैं जब हम सोते हैं और ये yawn करता है जब ये गुस्से में होता है. कौन है ये? हिप्पोपोटामस. तो नंबर 2 हिप्पोपोटामस. 3. It is an insect whose larvae secrete blobs of froth that is known as cuckoo spit. Who is it? ये है आपका स्पिटल बग. नंबर 3 पे. अब आ जाओ 4th. It is a bird that does not make a nest for laying the egg. ये क्या करती है? अपने एग जो है क्रो के नेस्ट में डाल देती है. ये कौन है? ये है कुकू. Now moving to the 5th one. It is a creature that or which takes the birth as a male. It then changes its gender to female and it alternates this process throughout its life. Male, female, male, female. ये अपने आप को कन्वर्ट करता रहता है जेंडर. ये क्रिएचर कौन है? ये है आपका oyster. So 5th नंबर पे आपका आ गया oyster. 6th देखो. It is the bird that makes the largest nest in the world and uses it all the time. It never build a new nest again. Which bird is this? This is your bald eagle. अब आप आगे देखो बुकवर्म हमें क्या बता रहा है. The golden eagle is North America's largest bird of prey. It is the national symbol of Mexico and also protected bird in the United States. So that's end for the chapter. Do the exercise carefully.